Welcome to this video that shows you how to register for SARS eFiling. To begin, visit www.sars.gov.za. Click Register on the right-hand side of the screen. Complete your personal details. For South African citizens, the ID field will be mandatory, and for non-South African citizens, the passport number will be mandatory. Click Next. Enter your contact details and create your own username and password. SARS will use these contact details to communicate with you and to send you a one-time PIN where necessary. You may use your email address as your username. Your password should contain at least 8 characters, including 1 special character, 1 numeral and 1 capital letter. Click Next. Indicate your preferred channel to receive your one-time PIN. Click Send OTP. If SARS could only verify one of your contact details, your OTP will be sent to the verified channel of communication. Enter the last 6 digits of your OTP. If you have done this correctly, you will get a notification that you have been successfully registered. However, if SARS is not able to verify your details, a case will be created. You will be required to upload and submit the supporting documents to SARS. Follow the on-screen prompts for details on which supporting documents to upload and submit. Please write down the case number for future communication with SARS on this matter. Click Continue to start uploading supporting documents. You will also receive a letter from SARS informing you which documents to submit. If you do not have the documents on hand, you can log out and return to this page by using the username and password you have created. Click Upload to continue to the next screen, which will show you which documents to upload. Please follow the guidelines on the screen to upload the supporting documents. Upload all the documents requested before you click Submit. This is to avoid any delays in processing your case. Once submitted, you will not be able to upload any other documents unless you have received a new request for documents from SARS. Click Submit, then Continue if you are sure you have uploaded all the required documents. Keep a lookout for an email from SARS regarding the outcome of your case. If your registration was unsuccessful, the email will inform you what you should do next. If successful, the email will inform you that your registration has been successful. You can then log in with the details you have captured during the registration process. Now that you have successfully registered on eFiling, the next step is to log in for the first time using the username and password you have created to finalize your registration. Capture your username, click Next. Capture your password, click Login. Read the SARS eFiling terms and conditions and click I accept at the bottom right corner. The next step is to link your new eFiling profile to your personal income tax product. Click on Link to finalize the process and click on Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully registered on eFiling. SARS, at your service.